Hi guys, welcome to new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook easily. Okay, first open your Facebook Lite app, then tap three lines, then scroll down, then tap settings and privacy, then tap settings, then tap accounts center, then tap manage accounts, then tap manage next to your Instagram profile, then tap move out of this account center, then tap continue to move, then tap continue, then tap yes finish moving, then hit OK. And like that you can unlink your Instagram account from Facebook easily, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video. Bye.